Are you planning your next summer vacation and considering Marrakech, Morocco? Let me tell you, you're in for a treat. Marrakech, the city of joy, is a place where time stands still. With its vibrant souks, stunning palaces, beautiful gardens, and ancient mosques, this city has a unique charm that never fails to mesmerize its visitors. In the heart of Morocco, Marrakech paints a picture of rich history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. A city where the old meets the new, where tradition intertwines with modernity. The Red City, as it's often called, is a perfect blend of mystery and majesty, and it's waiting to be explored. Over the next few minutes, we're going to take you on a journey through Marrakech's top 5 summer vacation spots. We'll wander through lush gardens, marvel at splendid architecture, and soak up the lively atmosphere of buzzing marketplaces. So fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Join us as we explore the top 5 summer vacation spots in Marrakech. First on our list is the Majorel Garden, a breathtaking oasis in the heart of the city. This enchanting garden, situated in Marrakech, is a true testament to the creative prowess and vision of French painter Jacques Majorel. Imagine this. In the 1920s, Majorel fell in love with the vibrant culture and landscape of Morocco and decided to put down roots here. Over the course of 40 years, he cultivated this magnificent garden, filling it with exotic plants from all corners of the globe. The garden is a sensory delight with its extensive collection of cacti, palms, bamboo, and other flora, all meticulously arranged. The sound of trickling water from the garden's fountains adds a calming backdrop to the chorus of birds that have made this garden their home. And then, there is the vibrant blue villa. Known as the Blue House, it's a sight to behold with its bold cobalt blue walls that Majorel himself named Majorel Blue. This striking color is a recurring theme throughout the garden, creating a vivid contrast with the lush greenery and bright flowers. Inside the villa, you'll find the Berber Museum, dedicated to showcasing the rich culture and heritage of Morocco's indigenous people. With an impressive collection of over 600 artifacts, you'll get a glimpse of the Berbers' traditional way of life, from their clothing and adornments to their tools and musical instruments. Visiting Majorel Garden is not just about admiring the beauty of nature. It's a journey into the heart of Morocco's history and culture. It's a place where art, history, and nature intertwine in a symphony of color, texture, and sound. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or just someone looking for a serene escape, Majorel Garden has something to offer. So if you find yourself in Marrakech, make sure to carve out some time for this tranquil retreat. Take a leisurely stroll, soak up the beauty around you, and let the magic of Majorel Garden wash over you. A visit to Majorel Garden promises a serene escape from the bustling city. Next, we have the Jardine Manara, a historic and picturesque garden with a stunning view of the Atlas Mountains. This oasis of tranquility nestled within the bustling city of Marrakech is a testament to the rich history of Morocco, dating back to the 12th century. As you step into the Jardine Manara, you're instantly welcomed by rows upon rows of olive groves, their silvery leaves rustling in the warm breeze. These groves, planted in meticulously arranged rows, are an integral part of the garden's identity and a nod to the region's agricultural heritage. The centerpiece of Jardine Manara is undoubtedly its large basin. This man-made marvel, built as a practical irrigation solution, doubles as an architectural gem, reflecting the sky above and the surrounding greenery. Over the centuries, it's become a symbol of Marrakech's innovative spirit and its seamless blend of functionality and beauty. Around the basin, you'll find a small, traditional Sadian pavilion. This elegant structure, with its green-tiled roof and delicately carved wooden details, offers a charming contrast to the lush landscape. It's a spot where one can take respite from the Moroccan sun and soak in the serene atmosphere. Beyond its striking features, Jardine Manara is a haven for leisure activities. Whether you're a nature enthusiast keen on birdwatching or a couple looking for a romantic stroll, this garden caters to all. Families often picnic under the shade of the olive trees, while artists find inspiration in the garden's picturesque setting. As the day winds down, the view of the Atlas Mountains from the garden becomes even more breathtaking. The snow-capped peaks, awash in the hues of sunset, provide a dreamy backdrop to this already enchanting garden. It's a sight that stays with you long after your visit. So if you're seeking a place of tranquility amidst history and natural beauty, Jardine Manara should certainly be on your Marrakech itinerary. With its historic charm, lush olive groves, and stunning mountain views, it offers a perfect blend of history, nature, and stunning views for a memorable vacation. Third on our list is the Koutoubia Mosque, an iconic landmark of Marrakech. This mesmerizing structure is not just a symbol of the city, but also a testament to its rich history and unique architectural heritage. The Koutoubia Mosque dates back to the 12th century, during the reign of the Almohad Caliphate. The name Koutoubia is derived from the Arabic word kutubiyin, meaning booksellers, as the area surrounding the mosque was once famed for its bustling book market. This historical nugget gives us a glimpse into the vibrant intellectual and cultural life of Marrakech in bygone times. The mosque's architectural design is a splendid example of Almohad style, characterized by its square minaret, a prominent feature that has been replicated in other famous structures such as the Giralda of Seville and the Hassan Tower of Rabat. The minaret, which stands at an impressive height of about 77 meters, is adorned with intricate patterns and motifs, reflecting the exquisite craftsmanship of the era. Surrounding the mosque, you'll find beautifully manicured gardens filled with fragrant orange trees and roses. These gardens serve as a serene oasis amidst the bustling city, offering a tranquil space for contemplation and relaxation. Visiting the Koutoubia Mosque is a unique experience, filled with the aura of history and the allure of exquisite architecture. As you stroll through the gardens and gaze at the towering minaret, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the call to prayer reverberating through the centuries. It's important to note that while the mosque itself is closed to non-Muslims, everyone is welcome to explore the lush gardens and marvel at the exterior of the building. This allows visitors of all backgrounds to appreciate the beauty and significance of this landmark. The Koutoubia Mosque is a must-see for anyone wanting to immerse themselves in the rich history and culture of Marrakech. Next up is the Bahia Palace, a testament to the grandeur of Moroccan architecture. This magnificent edifice, whose name translates to the beautiful, is indeed a sight to behold. The palace was built in the late 19th century, during the reign of the Alawite Sultan Hassan I. It was designed to be the greatest palace of its time, a vision realized by Si Musa, the Grand Vizier of the Sultan. Walking through the grand courtyard, you can't help but marvel at the intricate designs that adorn every surface. From the stunning mosaic tilework known as zellige to the delicate stucco and carved cedar wood, the attention to detail is simply breathtaking. The palace showcases the epitome of Islamic and Moroccan architectural styles, with its symmetrical designs, horseshoe arches, and elaborate geometric patterns. The palace is divided into numerous rooms and courtyards, each one unique in its design and decoration. Among them is the harem, a private space once reserved for the sultan's wives and concubines. The harem quarters are a testament to the grandeur of royal living, with its beautifully decorated rooms and elaborate marble bathrooms. Surrounding the palace are the stunning palace gardens, an oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city of Marrakech. These gardens are a labyrinth of orange trees, jasmine, and banana plants, interspersed with fountains that provide a soothing soundtrack to your exploration. The scent of sweet orange blossom fills the air, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. Visitors to the Bahia Palace can expect to be transported back in time, to an era of opulence and grandeur. It's not just a visit, it's an experience, an immersion into the richness of Moroccan culture and history. With its stunning architecture, beautiful gardens, and rich history, the Bahia Palace is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Marrakech. A visit to Bahia Palace offers a journey back in time to the opulence of 19th century Morocco. Last but not least, we have Jamaa Alna, the vibrant heart of Marrakech. This bustling square is a sensory overload teeming with life and energy that is quintessentially Moroccan. As day turns into evening, Jamaa Alna transforms into a lively marketplace. Here you'll find everything from traditional Moroccan rugs to handcrafted jewelry and pottery. But the market is just the beginning. Street performers are an integral part of the Jamaa Alna experience. Storytellers, musicians, and acrobats, they all add to the electric atmosphere of the square. And let's not forget the food stalls. As the sun sets, the aroma of grilled meats, tangy citrus from fresh squeezed orange juice, and sweet pastries fill the air. Each stall offers a unique taste of Marrakech, from savory tagines to sweet mint tea. A visit to Jamaa Alna offers a taste of the lively local culture and cuisine of Marrakech. These are just a few of the incredible places that make Marrakech a perfect summer vacation destination. The allure of the Majorel Garden, with its vibrant cobalt blue hues and exotic plants, is a feast for the senses. The serenity of Jardine Manara, with its historic pavilion and tranquil olive groves, offers a perfect retreat. Koutoubia Mosque, the city's spiritual heart, with its mesmerizing minaret, is a testament to Marrakech's rich history. The Bahia Palace, a marvel of Moroccan architecture, is a journey through time with its intricately decorated rooms and courtyards. Lastly, the heartbeat of Marrakech, Jamaa Alna, where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, from snake charmers to traditional Moroccan cuisine. Each spot provides unique experiences that truly encapsulate the spirit of Marrakech. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and guides. Enjoy planning your summer vacation to Marrakech.